Uh, Today I talk about DevOps roadmap. What is actually need to learn in DevOps engineer to become a DevOps engineer? First, you have to choose any languages, scripting languages like Python, Shell script, and Bash script. Python nowadays more popular. And first up, Linux based. You have to learn Linux, and everything worked on Linux. Let's start. What is actually need? Uh, First up, Git and GitHub. Git is a distributed version control system where I used to distributed version control system. It's a track on our history. We can work with multiple developers and GitHub. GitHub is a cloud registry where I store our repository, where I uh, wrote code, write code, and this file something. I write code in Git means local machine system and push our code on GitHub registry cloud and second tool Jenkins. Jenkins is automation platform orchestration automation CI/CD pipeline tool. It's our code pull the code from GitHub registry and automatic test build and deploy this actually CI/CD pipeline Jenkins supported more uh, third-party plugins like Git, Docker, Tomcat server, and different tools you support in CI/CD pipeline Jenkins, and more CI/CD pipeline tools like Circle CI, Travis CI, GitLab CI, and again third is Docker. Docker is an open source platform. It's automate, scale, deploy our application and manage our application and build a package in a package and create a container by Docker. There are three steps in Docker. First up, I have to write Docker file behalf my application and Docker image. It contains about our Docker image. If I build our Docker file, that's create a Docker image, and after run, that's called a Docker container. Actually, contain about application. Its isolation, lightweight environment where actually may in our application run and smooth. This is very useful. And next, KATS means Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a open source multiple containers orchestration, automate test deploy, automate scale deployment, manage multiple applications. It's very useful. And in this KATS package manager help and other like Terraform. Terraform is platform agnostic tool means infrastructure as a code. it's handle multiple application run on multiple clouds, and it's actually if I want to use a Terraform, so I have to learn HashiCorp language. It's work on HCL language, HashiCorp language, Corp language. Here we have to write YAML small code and operate multiple applications, um, run on different cloud based, and AWS cloud, like I studied about AWS cloud. Here I create EC2, where actually I run actually worked on this Ubuntu, CentOS, and Amazon Linux. Different type EC2, MI, and VPC, virtual private cloud. We have to we can create our personal network, and we have all control on our network in VPC, and RDS, relational database. It's a very simple. Uh, it's provide simple way without any query, write query, only input data, and it's a automate, and multiple services provide AWS cloud.